Hey guys and girls, in this video, we're going to take a look at the best laptop power banks. This list is based on my personal opinion and tons of research. I've listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options of every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay to the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the laptop battery packs in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. Once we reach 1,000 likes, we will pick a winner and notify him. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best laptop power banks on the market right now. Coming at number 7, we've got the Ecoflow EFDELTA 1300AM Portable Power Station. The Ecoflow EFDELTA 1300AM is a portable power station that's designed for camping or spending extended periods away from a power outlet. It has a colossal 1,260 Wh, 350,000 mAh battery pack which can fully charge a laptop multiple times, regardless of the make and model. The device can even power home appliances and heavy-duty tools via dedicated surge outlets if necessary. The device's selection of power output ports is nothing short of spectacular. It includes 6 AC adapters, a duo of fast-charging USB-C ports, 4 full USB ports, and a 12-volt car port, meaning that you can simultaneously charge up a whopping 13 devices with the EFDELTA 1300AM. Best of all, you can recharge the immensely capable power station for less than 2 hours using a standard outlet. Just in case, the power station is also compatible with solar panels. Unsurprisingly, with a battery pack this large and with so many connectivity ports, the 31-pound Ecoflow EFDELTA 1300AM isn't exactly the most portable option out there. It's also not the most affordable, but given its capabilities as well as its superb 24-month warranty, we believe that the product's considerable weight and hefty price tag are worth it. Number 6. OmniCharge Omni. Designed with pro users in mind, the OmniCharge Omni Ultimate has a swappable battery pack for expanding its charging capacity on the go. The battery pack has a charging capacity of 38,400 mAh, meaning that you can effortlessly charge most full-size laptops twice, or a smartphone up to 10 times. Rather impressively, the Omni Universe is also splash and dust resistant with an IP54 rating. The Omni has an AC outlet with a maximum power output of 120 watts, USB-C and USB-A connectors with fast charging capabilities, and a DC input. Another feature I like about the Omni is a built-in OLED display, which allows you to keep track of the charging status of all connected devices. The device's retail package includes a fast wall charger and DC output adaptable cable. OmniCharge backs the product with a 1-year warranty. Coming at number 5, Goal Zero Sherpa 100 AC. The splurge-worthy Goal Zero Sherpa 100 AC is jam-packed with features, yet it weighs a rather reasonable 2 pounds. The battery pack has a duo of fast-charging USB-C ports, an AC power outlet with a maximum output of 100 watts, as well as a full duo of USB ports. I like that it comes bundled with a quartet of charging cables, including a Lightning, a micro USB, a USB-A to USB-C, and a USB-C to USB-C. To top things off, the Sherpa 100 AC also has QI wireless charging capabilities. You can charge your compatible smartphone by simply placing it on top of the battery pack. A built-in OLED display, on the other hand, will allow you to keep a close eye on every meaningful detail of the device's operation. This includes the remaining capacity of the battery pack, as well as detailed information about the power input or output of each port, among other bits. The device's built-in battery pack has a single cell equivalent capacity of 25,600 mAh. This is sufficient to fully charge some laptops twice, according to the manufacturer. Of course, you can expect to get many more full charges for smaller devices and gadgets. Coming in number 4, Lifeproof Life Active Power Pack 20. What sets the Lifeproof Life Active Power Pack 20 apart from all other entries on this list is not only its reasonable price tag, but also its fully waterproof body. With its ports tightly sealed, the accessory can survive submersion in up to 6.6 feet underwater. The gadget is really rugged too. It can handle drops from up to 4 feet, an impressive feat for a battery pack this big. LifePack packs a duo of 10,000 mAh battery packs into the Power Pack 20. Combined, they allow you to fully charge a laptop via USB-C. A full USB port for powering up another gadget is also available. Plus, the product is equipped with a handy flashlight. Number 3. Mophie Powerstation AC. Easily the most stylish option on this list, the Mophie Powerstation AC Universal Battery Pack can charge a MacBook or a MacBook Pro via an AC adapter with a maximum output of 100 watts. It's also capable of charging 2 more gadgets alongside your laptop. It has one USB-C and one full USB port to go with the full power plug. The battery pack is top pick in this category from both Wirecutter and PC Mag for its ability to power a laptop, as well as several other gadgets at once. With a battery capacity of 22,000 mAh, the gadget can add up to 15 hours of battery life for your Apple's notebook. We like that its fabric cover protects your metal-clad laptop from scratches. The fabric finish gives the battery pack excellent tactility too. Coming at number 2, Anker PowerCore Plus. Anker's PowerCore Plus battery pack by Anker has a built-in USB-C connector with a maximum power output of 45 watts. Enough to charge a 13-inch MacBook Pro or a Dell XPS 13 PC laptop. The accessory also packs a duo of fast-charging full USB ports that use the company's proprietary Power IQ technology, meaning you can charge other gadgets alongside your notebook. The accessory's battery pack has a capacity of 26,800 mAh, as well as built-in tech to protect its battery from overheating, as well as the connected devices from overcharging. Anker backs its creation by a solid 18-month warranty. I tip my hat to Anker for including a fast wall charger and USB-C cable alongside the PowerCore Plus. In addition to rapidly replenishing its battery pack, the bundled accessory is handy for charging laptops, smartphones, and tablets. Number 1. RAVPower 30,000 mAh Portable Battery Pack. This portable battery pack by RAVPower is our top pick for most consumers. It has a robust 30,000 mAh capacity, a built-in AC outlet with a maximum power output of 100 watts, and a USB-C connector with fast charging capabilities. 2 full USB ports are also on board in case you need to charge more gadgets. The accessory can give a MacBook Pro a full charge with energy to spare. It has a neat LED battery indicator that allows you to keep tabs on its power reserve, as well as built-in tech to protect its battery pack and the connected devices. RAVPower backs the product by a rather amazing 30-month warranty. All you have to do to get the additional 18-month of coverage on top of the standard 1 year is register the product with the accessory maker. The battery pack has a carrying pouch and a USB-C cable in the box, but no charger to replenish it, so you'll need to use your own or buy your own. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best laptop power banks. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments, what is your favorite one? And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.